Hello family, what's up? Welcome to NjokaFx. I'm so excited for us. We have come to the end of the trading week, and I'm so excited for the crypto fans. Crypto is still playing on. I've shared an analysis on Ethereum USD. If you can go and check it out, it's going to help you. You're going to see that our next target, I believe, is going bullish to about 2700. Okay, so many people go with you if you take advantage of that. So today I'm going to do a deeper analysis on what I saw on Ethereum that gives me a short-term buy for Ethereum. Okay, so actually let's dive into the monthly chart of Ethereum. And by the way, guys, I just created I have Joker Forex Academy. You can learn Forex with me. It's just $20 per month, and so just come and I'll give you my tips and my advice, and we are going to share together. I'm going to share the trades that I'm taking with you and show you deeper things about trading. All right, so right now we are just going to go directly into the chart, and let me show you what I've been seeing and how it has been and why I took a 6% on Ethereum this week. All right, so let's dive into it. Before starting, guys, let's go into the chart. Before starting, I'm going to dive directly into, let me show you my Telegram channel where I give you the analysis. Here is the analysis. Let me just minimize this. So guys, as I was saying, so this was the analysis for my 1 to 2, but after breaking this high, I saw the momentum of the candle. I increased my take profit, and we had a very beautiful run of the trade. So this was, where is it? Okay, here it is. All right, so here it is. This is it. Here it is. So here is where I took my profit at about 25.94. So about 24, I used my entry, beautiful entry engulfment. The engulfment here wasn't even at morning star. That's the beautiful thing about this was just a confirmation, man. So you can see a beautiful run with a 6%. Where is it? I shared it here. Okay, here it is with a 6.34%. So here it is with a 6.34% closing here. So it was a very beautiful trade. Let me share with you what I saw, and but I took a loss on it too as well. I took a loss on it. So this was a loss, and because I was seeing a continuation. It did let me say, it reversed, gave a beautiful engulfment again, but didn't follow through. So notwithstanding everything being equal, and let's go. So let's dive into the chart. Let me show you what I was saying. So right now we are on the monthly chart on this particular pair. Okay, so right now we can see here is, here is our resistance, like this. Let me just put it like here. All right, beautiful resistance here as well. Oh, undo. Here as well. This is a beautiful resistance or support here. So that's where we are dancing at the moment. But we are going to see why I'm taking a buy, even though it's at this particular point. But on this particular pair, you can also see that it has given us a very beautiful morning star on the monthly, which is beautiful with the doji, actually with the doji, and it's a very positive sign for me as well. So let me do this as well here. Okay, we can modify this another one here, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's go to the weekly. We can see that on the weekly time frame. Let me just, it's too crowded here. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. So I can even say this was supposed to even be here. Okay, yeah, like this. It's like more of a zone. Okay, like I should have done something like this. It's more of a zone like that, and a zone like that. So we have that. We have this beautiful rejection here, like here. So like here, okay, so here we go, touches here, false breakout, came back, retested, went back into it, came and retested, false break, then came follow through, breakthrough, and now it gave us another false breakout, and I believe that it's going to move higher. So that's just it. It's just make it very simple, nothing complicated. Okay, so all of this was a false breakout for this particular, like fake out here, then came back and reversed. So that's just it. Like for instance, let's say this, like this, it broke out, fake out, people were selling, they broke and retested, they support, then boom. So that's it. So the same applies here. That's a resistance on the daily, and this also is support here, like this. Okay, so you see it broke, then came, retested, same what it happened here. It broke, came back, retested, and is following through. All right, so right now we are at this point. Right now it's broke, it has broken out, then it has retested, and we are expecting a run back to test this resistance at let's say 2657, thereabout. That's to me about 2700. All right, 2700. So that's just it. And on the lower time frame, okay, here is where I messed up. Like here is that doji, right? And here is where I messed up. I came here, I saw this engulfment, and I took some partials here though. I took some partials here at this particular point. I took some partials here, but it still came back, took me out. So that was it. So right now, here is my trade. Here's a trade of this week. I'm going to be looking at this particular week. It could still be that it has broken to come and retest here to fall for a sell. Okay, so nothing is impossible. You can't just say there's a one way to the market. Okay, there's no one way to the market. All right, so it can still go like this. We have like you can see here, an engulfment. It came back. It's about to give us an engulfment on the 4 hour. So if you give us an engulfment on the 4 hour, I think I will definitely have to close this trade, because you can have engulfment on two opposite sides. So if you give me this engulfment, comes back, give me a bullish candle, then another engulfment, then it has confirmed to me, that's twice engulfments. They have confirmed to me that it's going to run down. All right, it's going to go back down to retest this particular zone, to retest 2390 thereabout. All right, to retest this zone, because it can still retest the zone as many times as it wants. Okay, because it wants to the big money, the big banks, they want to remove as many people in the bullish trend, as many as they can, to go free with the money, to take your money and go. All right, so that's very important. You need to understand that. So our target is about 2700. That's it. 2700, that's my target. So to take out this liquidity over here. So that's just it. So I wish you all the best, and that's it. I've shown you the evidence and on the trades I've taken, the percentage I made on this particular trade. Beautiful trade. And I'm advising you, if you want to learn Forex, it's just $20 a month. I'm going to share with you how you can deposit and do all of that. I will use skill and my Bitcoin wallet. I think that's what I'm going to use for now until further notice. All right. So